Now we're going to really look at your calculator. This is about visualizing and graphing data. A relation is a set of ordered pairs, x comma y. The domain is all the set of the x values in a relation, and the range is the set of y values in a relation. We'll be playing with these a whole lot more in another section pretty soon. Calculator view screens. Say I want to graph a linear equation. All of these keys up here is with respect to graphing. So if you hit y equals, and let me type in, say, 2x plus 2. Remember, 2 is your slope, and this 2 is your y-intercept. But we'll be talking about linear equations more a little bit later. I want you to really know what a standard viewing and the decimal viewing window is, because we will toggle pretty much back and forth between these two. If you press zoom, 6 is for a standard window. And there's my equation. Now what the standard window is from negative 10 to 10 on your x-axis, the scale is 1, and your y scale, it goes from negative 10 to 10 by 1. So if I go back to my picture, this is negative 10, this is 10, and it's going, the tick marks go by 1. Same thing here, this is negative 10 to 10, and the tick marks go by 1. Now the decimal viewing window, if you do zoom 4, notice zoom decimal, we get a little bit closer, and the window here, if you'll notice, is a little bit smaller. So if I go back to my graph, notice it starts at negative 4.7. So this is negative 4.7 to 4.7, and the scale is 1. This is negative 3.1 to 3.1, and the scale is 1. So I use zoom 6 mostly. Every once in a while I do use zoom 4. Now to manually adjust, if you go to your window, let's say I want negative 6 to 6. And I want my scale to go by 2. Remember that. This one, let's do negative 4 to 4. Scale is 2. Now let's look at our picture. Remember, I went from negative 6 to 6, and this is going 2, 4, 6, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. My y-axis was, my y-min was negative 4, y-max was 4, and again, it was going by 2s. So I can manually adjust my window. Now, anytime I change my window, always do a zoom 6, and it will take it back to the standard window, and it will make your origin dead center. So that's all I need to talk about here. Domain and range we will talk about again, and I'll keep referring to zoom 6 and zoom 4. Thank you.